Good morning, students. Welcome to class 9. Today we are going to learn easy English phrases that we use every day in the classroom. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The first phrase. Excuse me. Say it again. Excuse me. மரியாதையான பணிவான ஒரு ஆங்கில சொல். We use this polite phrase when we want to get someone's attention. Say it again. Excuse me, ma'am. The next one. May I come in? Repeat, please. May I come in? Good. We use may when we want permission to enter the class. Shall we go to the next one? Good morning, ma'am. Say it again. Good morning, ma'am. வணக்கம் சொல்லுது. This is a greeting we say in the morning. It's 1:30 now. What to say? Very good. Good afternoon, ma'am. Shall we go to the next one? Ma'am, I have finished my homework. Say it again. Ma'am, I have finished my homework. Very good. Sorry, ma'am. He didn't finish his project. Say it again. Sorry, ma'am. He didn't finish his project. மன்னிக்கவும் என்று சொல்லுதல். If we have done any mistake, we have to say, yes, sorry, ma'am. Good. When your teacher takes attendance in the morning, your class leader will say, only one boy is absent today, ma'am. Say it again. Only one boy is absent, ma'am. Except Balu, all are present. Repeat again. Except Balu, all are present. Very good. பாலுவை தவிர அனைவரும் வந்துள்ளார்கள். Ma'am, the bell has rung. Yes. Repeat again. Ma'am, the bell has rung. Okay. The joyous moment of students. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Repeat again. Thank you, ma'am. We use this phrase to show gratitude and good manners. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Excuse me. May I come in? Good morning, ma'am. Or good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I have finished my homework. Sorry, ma'am. He didn't finish his project. Only one boy is absent, ma'am. Except Balu, all are present. Ma'am, the bell has rung. Thank you, madam. Practice these English phrases every day with your friends in the classroom and speak fluently. Thank you for the support. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next class.